Force 13's Australia and Oceania channel with another look at what's making the local weather scene. On the screen is another look at the Bureau Meteorology's Doppler radar for the state of Tasmania. The severe weather activity continues for the various states, and for Tasmania we've got the warning remaining in place for Curry, Smithton, Scottsdale, Whitemark, Strathern, Queenstown. Severe weather is no longer occurring in the East Coast and Midlands district, therefore the warning for those areas has been cancelled. Averaging west to northwesterly winds, averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour, likely today from late morning about the Bass Strait, the north coast, and also about the rest tonight. Winds are expected to moderate below warning thresholds during Thursday morning. In the past 6 hours to 4:30 a.m, 135 kilometres an hour gusts have been observed on the Hogan Island, 113 kilometres at Cape Grim, 107 kilometres an hour Low Head, 96 kilometres an hour Devonport, and 89 kilometres at Burnie. A gale warning is in place for the far northwest, the central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, and the southeast, southwest, central west coast. Strong wind warning in place for the upper east coast, lower east coast, and a small craft alert remains in place for the central plateau and southwest lakes. And a similar warning will be in place tomorrow. Friday we have a minor flood warning for the Meander, the North Esk rivers. Flood watch remains in place for the northwest, the northeast, the Derwent and Huon catchments. And the Bureau has cancelled the sheep graziers warning. New South Wales, severe weather warning for damaging winds remains in place for the Illawarra Snowy Mountains, parts of the southeast, central tablelands, southern tablelands including ACT. Vigorous winds over southeast New South Wales. A cold front is currently crossing southern New South Wales, and a second cold front is forecast to cross the state overnight Friday into Saturday morning, and vigorous northwest to southwesterly winds expected with both these systems, with winds only easing later Saturday after the passage of the second front. The Bureau of Meteorology South Australia has in place a reduced severe weather warning, and it is for the lower east for today. Squally winds about coastal areas. Winds of east for most parts of South Australia following the passage of a strong cold front on Wednesday afternoon, evening. However, damaging winds may continue in coastal areas of the lower southeast on today. Damaging westerly winds averaging 55 to 65 kilometres an hour, repeat gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour are forecast in the warning area today, and damaging winds are most likely near the coast associated with showers. I love the terminology in some of the advisories, the wording. Locations currently under the warning is Robe and Millicent. Highest wind gusts recorded Wednesday including 109 kilometres an hour at Kangaroo. Apology for the pronunciations. Narrowcoot 107 kilometres an hour. Mount Crawford 102 kilometres an hour. Pandana 98 kilometres an hour. Keith 96 kilometres an hour. Strathalbyn 95 kilometres an hour, and also Murray Bridge. Winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour have also been recorded at Port Lincoln, Strathalbyn, Cape Bordeaux, Murray Bridge, with reports of trees down through parts of the Mount Lofty ranges. Apparently, I think there are about 60 reports of tree damage. The Bureau also has in place a gale warning for the lower southeast coast, strong wind warning for the lower west, central, south central coast, Investigator Strait, and the upper southeast coast. And the run for the Spencer Gulf has been cancelled. And on the screen is a look at the latest BSCH information. It's the GFS wind probability. It's a look at the 850 millibar level, and this is through the 2200 hours to May. The information's at the bottom left of the screen. We will continue to bring the latest information on the local scene, and the Force 13's main channel is ramping up its coverage of the developing tropical system down there in the Gulf of Mexico.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube channel. If you're not there already, you may well be. Good chance of that. Subscribe if you haven't. You can also find our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text, and our Twitter handle, it's at Force 13 on there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron. You can see more information about all the benefits involved by visiting patreon.com/Force13. Of course, you can come into direct contact with us by messaging Fool13 on Discord at extension 9094 and Force13 on Skype, and our